All right, I need to do a little bit of straightening on this blade because it warped just slightly in the water quench.
So did you over clamp it a bit? Or do you just clamp it till it's straight?
Just a little bit over clamp. You got to play with it. But see, I unclamped it, there was no spring back. Didn't spring back, so. All right, I have finished the blade grinding, and now I've been given the task of making the hibachi Suzuki katana thing.
Now I'm excited that I get to make the hibachi.
I've been
given the task.
Okay, let me.
This is your first hibachi.
Okay, let me rephrase
It should be a
this.
Happy, exciting
Let me rephrase
experience. Excitement. Come on.
Let me put chicken. I have been manipulated by the samurai Carpenter into making his hibachi out of this copper tubing. I have never done this before. I've never made anything like this before. He's just like, hey, here's some copper pipe. Why don't you just make my knife for me? So that's what I'm doing on my vacation.
Hey, the food alone is worth it.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Yep.
All right, so that wraps up the Liam Hoffman, Chris Williams, Jesse DeGeese collaboration Tanto knife build. Oh, what a fun project, and what a beautiful knife. The first Tanto knife I made, I gave it away. This one, I don't know why I decided to give it away as well, because I just want to keep it. This knife will be given away to a member of the Makers Mob. Whoever enters a project in our Project of the Month competition that we do every single month at the Makers Mob will have a chance to win this. And this time, we're not going to be judging the projects and picking the best project that we think deserves to win. It's going to be a random draw. So if you're a beginner, novice, expert, whatever, all you have to do is put a project in the contest and you will have a chance to win this. I'm also going to be making a mount stand for it out of these antlers that a friend of mine gave me from a deer that he took down. And so yeah, what a great opportunity to win a beautiful collaboration piece like this. And I just, oh, that hamon just glistens in the light. Oh. So if you want a shot at that, go sign up to be a member of the Makers Mob. There's a link down in the description box or up in the corner. There are also 3 spots left in our Memorial Day weekend timber framing course that we're doing in-house here at my place in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. And this is what we're building. Boom. 10 by 16, all timber frame joinery greenhouse. We've even got a Japanese scarf joint in there. So if you're interested in learning how to do all this joinery, use all your hand tools, power tools to make a structure without any fasteners, this is where it's at. So if you want to get in on that workshop, click the link down in the description, sign up to the Makers Mob. You'll get invited over to the Facebook page, and all the information you need is on the Facebook page, or you can email me directly once you're signed up. All right, look forward to seeing you guys on the other side or in the next video. Until then, have a blessed week. Samurai out.